Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word rebound. It might seem simple, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is rebound. Let's break it down. First, we have which sounds like in replay or read. Then comes bound, which rhymes with found and ground. Now, let's put it all together. Rebound. Try repeating after me, rebound. Now a little faster, rebound. And at full speed, rebound. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Rebound means to bounce back after hitting something, often used in sports like basketball. It can also mean recovering from a setback or difficulty. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce rebound and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.